Hey guys, my name is Yan Sikorski. I'm glad to welcome you back in our daily video series Trading Ideas for the Next Market Session. In these videos, I will share with you my top 7 or 6 ideas for the next market session. And as usual, first of all, let's see how my previous ideas work out. Let's start with euro dollar. Yesterday I recommended you long euro dollar if price hold above 1.40. When price hold above this resistance level, and as you can see, price tried to hold above, but nothing has happened. That's why I recommended you just wait when price hold above this level. This level, I mean 1.1450. Another idea in a pound USD, I recommended you long pound USD when price break 1.2570. As you can see, price break this level from entry points and hit my first target around 1.2650. Another idea was in oil. Unfortunately, this idea is not worked because I recommended you short this instrument. As you can see, price hit my stop loss. Another idea was in gold. I recommended to long gold, and as you can see, price hit my first target around 18.25. PayPal. In a PayPal, I recommended to long these stocks. As you can see, yesterday price just almost hit my first target around $180 per share. JD.com, I recommended you long these stocks. I said if price hold above $62 per share. As you can see, this idea still work right now. That's why I want to recommend you, if you're in a position, just stay in a position, and I believe you will be fine. Another and the last idea, this is Alibaba stocks. As you can see, I recommended you all long when price hold above $240 per share level. As you can see, price held above this level, and to be honest, this idea still work right now and almost hit my first target around $260 per share. Well, right now let's move on to today's ideas. Let's start with euro dollar. In euro dollar, right now price stay inside important resistance level. That's why we have to wait how price will be react for this level. I mean, if you can see how price hold below this level, this is will be a nice opportunity to take a short trade. In this case, the first target will be around 1.1380. And in another case, if you can see how price hold above this level, you can long this currency pair, and your first target will be around 1.15. Another idea in a pound USD. In a pound USD right now, we can see how price stay inside important resistance level 2. And in this case, I expect what I expect the price falling down and hold below this level. If price hold below this level, I think this is a pretty good opportunity to short this currency pair. In this case, the first target will be around 1.2620. Canadian dollar right now inside about support level 2, and as you can see, how price try to form breakout of this level. That's why we have to wait. If price hold below this level, you can short this currency pair. In this case, the first target will be around 1.3420. Another idea in microchip stocks, microchip technology, I'm sorry. As you can see, price try to form breakout of important resistance level around $108 per share. That's why we have to wait for price within a pause from breakout of this level, then pullback, fractal, and after fractal you can long these stocks. Your first target will be around $113 per share. And the last idea in Netflix, as you can see, price get a bounce near important support level around 490. That's why this is a nice opportunity to take a loan in these stocks, and your first target will be around $530 per share. Well guys, this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed, and see you in next videos.